I'm in my garage today. I was upgrading my fairing from the stock fairing to the Memphis Shades Reward fairing on my 2020 Lowrider S. I decided I was going to just go ahead, probably upgrade the headlight and test out different ones, see which ones I like the best. Right here I have the Sealight LED lighting, 5.75 inch for Harley Davidson's. The box is a little bit damaged. Looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights maybe. Honestly, not too sure here. Let's take this out. Oh, some issues that I ran into like whenever upgrading. This has this weird 3-pin, 3-prong plug. And if we go up here to the Harley Davidson, I had to purchase this little adapter here that converts the standard Harley plug. I believe this is from like 2015 is maybe when they started doing this. I guess it would vary on different models. And I purchased this on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link down in the bottom. Same thing with the headlight here as well, if you guys like it. And I'm just basically going to do a comparison of like the actual stock headlight on this bike versus the new upgraded one. Ooh, almost dropped it there. And this is the actual plug that I was talking about that just comes stock on the actual headlight itself. Now, you will probably have to get a new actual mount, a headlight shell, and other kinds of great stuff for this bike if you have this bike or pretty much any other Harley Davidson. And I imagine you had to get a whole new mounting kit, like just everything, because this doesn't come off, as you can see, or well, probably comes off, but doesn't have anywhere else on the back of this headlight to even place it, which is very very unfortunate, but it is what it is. So let's see here. We'll come back at night and test all this stuff out. It's still daylight outside, and go from there. Nice and bright. Now, I do have aftermarket turn signal lights. These are actually by Rogue Rider Industries. And I'll throw a link up in the description below for these as well. But other than that, I just thought I would be like honest because I do have these aftermarket ones. Anyone who has factory turn signals might have a little bit of difference. But I'm not going to fully mount this headlight just yet. I'm actually just going to shine it. And basically, we'll see how well it does. So let's open the garage door here. So I'm just going to hold on to it. Oh wow, that is like, this is a huge difference. A very, very big difference than factory. Wow. Okay, so this is just low beam. So let's flip it to high beam. High beam. Hey, look, there's a cat. Low beam. High beam. Low beam. So quite a very, very big difference than the factory one. Well, let's go ahead and see what the factory one looks like real quick too. I'm gonna flip that off for now. Okay, we're going to go ahead, unplug this, and unplug this little adapter. And we're we're going to plug you in. And then we're just going to tilt you right back up just a tiny bit, like that. And now turn the switch on. So, that's off for 1 second. So this is the regular Harley Davidson one. You can see the emblem right in there. Let's just turn the wheel. Set that down. Don't want to drop that. So this is just regular. As you see, this is pretty much like, I would say, kind of close to being up to where it needs to be. Let's do high beam, low beam. So let's make sure we have this correct here, because this is embarrassing. Like for a factory headlight, for this kind of factory headlight, if this is not up the way it should be. Okay, let's take this Memphis shade shroud off. There it is, exposed bare naked headlight. Wow. Okay, so this is just amazing. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Like, there's just, okay, maybe that might be just a little bit better. High beam, low beam. All right, let's turn the wheel just a little bit. Well, that's very, very interesting comparison. I mean, geez, it's a tie. Well, I don't know if I would say it's a tie. I want your guys' opinion. Do you think the aftermarket headlight by Sealight is better than the Harley Davidson factory one? Or do you think the Harley Davidson factory headlight is better?